Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is a crucial nutrient that plays a vital role in your overall health, particularly in managing calcium. It helps ensure that calcium goes where it's needed most, like your bones and teeth, and keeps it out of places where it can cause problems, such as your arteries. Understanding its function is the first step to incorporating it effectively into your daily routine for better well-being. Vitamin K2 primarily exists in two forms, MK4 and MK7. MK4 is a shorter-chain menaquinone found in animal-based foods like grass-fed butter, egg yolks, and certain organ meats. MK7, a longer-chain menaquinone, is more commonly found in fermented foods, with natto being an exceptionally rich source. Some hard cheeses also contain MK7. Knowing these forms helps you choose the best dietary or supplemental options. When considering dosage, a general guideline for MK7 is between 100 and 300 micrograms daily. For MK4, dosages are typically higher, often around 1,500 micrograms. It's crucial to take vitamin K2 with a meal that includes some dietary fat, as it is a fat-soluble vitamin, ensuring better absorption. Establishing a consistent daily routine will help you maximize its positive effects on your health. Vitamin K2 doesn't work alone. It has powerful partners. Vitamin D3 is perhaps its most well-known collaborator, as D3 helps absorb calcium and K2 directs it. Magnesium is also essential, playing a role in activating K2-dependent proteins. Ensuring adequate intake of these synergistic nutrients can significantly amplify the benefits of K2 for your bones and heart. Always consider discussing your supplementation plan with a healthcare provider.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.